Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your location on Google Maps. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. So first thing is, after you open Google Map, it's going to show you your current location, which is going to be the blue dot in the middle. Now I have blurred it because I don't want my location to be revealed for privacy reason. But what you want to do is, you want to click on the blue dot, which is your current location. Once you click on the blue dot, it's going to show you this. Now what you want to do is click on share location, and once you click on share location, it's going to show you all these options over here. Now from over here, you can choose whoever one you want to send the location to. Now it says for 1 hour, which means this location can only be shared for 1 hour. So you can click on this and you can choose for how long you want. You can click on the plus to increase the hour and minus to decrease it, or you can just click on until you turn this off, which means you have to come inside Google Map manually and turn this off so your friends can't see your location anymore in the future. After you choose the setting you want, just click on the person, or you can click on more and you can choose more people from your contacts. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can share location on Google Map. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.